our next guest from her time on the hit series The Real Housewives of New Jersey and her family's spin-off, Manzo.
Yeah, and now she is sharing her kitchen secrets in a new cookbook called Food and Other Things I Love, which has, get this, over 100 recipes. So please welcome Caroline Manzo to New York Living and our kitchen here.
Thank you. I appreciate you guys.
Great to have you here.
My pleasure.
And Matt's orange.
I know, we're
we didn't know.
very on brand.
We did a thing. We didn't know.
We had no idea.
They did a thing.
We did a thing. You look fantastic.
Thank you.
You've been busy with grandbabies?
Grandbabies. My newest was 1 month old yesterday, my little Albert Joseph Manzo the fifth. We call him 5. And then my Marky, how cute, right?
Cute.
And my little Marky girl, my Marquesa, is 7. So grandparenting is my thing now. It's good.
It is. You're the sexiest grandma I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Jesus. Holy smokes.
40
Oh my
years. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, my baby. Look at her. She's the best.
40 years of marriage.
40. Yeah.
Wow. Hello. That one you need a
40
big
years, yeah. 43 together and 40 married, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll keep him. For now, at this point, what do? You keep him. But I adore him. I adore him.
Look at you guys.
My best guy. Look at him.
And is the secret good food?
You know what? I don't know what the secret is. If I knew that secret, I'd bottle it and make $1 billion. You go with the flow. I think the secret is go with the flow. Yeah. You know,
But
some good, some bad, and we just take what we get and be happy, right?
But a lot of your secrets are in there.
True story. Yeah, over 100 recipes. Started out, I broke my foot many years ago. Couldn't move, stuck on a chair for months, and I did 2 things. I wrote a children's book, which is still on my computer, and I wrote this cookbook for my kids. And what happened was people started saying, your mom wrote a book, I'll buy it, I'll buy it. And then this was about 8 or 9 years ago. And now 2 years ago, my son Christopher said to me, which is a thing he used from reverse psychology, Mom, write the cookbook, get it published. And I said, who would buy it? Nobody cares. And he said, how do you know until you try? Which is my thing I always say to them, right? And here we are.
And here we are.
Look at that.
Wow. So where do these recipes come from? And don't say your head.
No, it is really years and years of people sitting around my tables, family, friends, just sitting around the table eating. Holidays, to me, food is love. Yeah. And every recipe is about someone in my life. And you know, it's a journey, and it's wonderful. And like I said, to me, food is love, and I don't care if it's a peanut butter sandwich. There's a recipe for a peanut butter sandwich in there. It's the story behind the peanut butter sandwich that matters.
Love that.
So it's just, I'm not a chef, I'm not formally trained. I'm a mom, I'm a wife in New Jersey that loves to cook for her family.
But
so
they
that's
always
what these
say
are.
nothing's better than mom's cooking.
Well, this is what they say, and that was in my brain. It's like mom's cooking. Everybody thinks mom cooking great, but everybody started saying, no, I want the book, I want the book, and that's where it's born.
And now you gave them the book.
We gave them the book, and today's just 3 super simple recipes that you could throw together that'll stick to your ribs, kind of thing, and you go from there.
I'm here for it.
Yeah.
What are we starting with breakfast?
This is a Jersey thing. Taylor ham, egg, and cheese. Some can argue that it's pork roll. Listen, call it what you want. I call it delicious. It's fantastic. It's super simple. It's fried egg, cheese, Taylor ham, salt, pepper, ketchup. That's the way you make it. It's usually the kids on a rough night. They're in the diner.
This is the hangover food.
They're in the diner in the morning having that, and it's just down the shore. It's one of those staples that you have all the time.
Oh my gosh.
So again, super simple, but one of those things that you remember.
Does it always have to be on that kind of roll?
If you're going to do it right, yes.
Got to do it right.
You got to do it right.
Is that a semolina?
It's whatever you want it to be, as long as it's a round, soft, kind of hard.
Perfect.
Some people toast it. I don't, because I like the bite of the roll. You know.
I want to eat it the way you eat it.
So anyway.
Next is the Italian hot dog.
Italian hot dogs. Now this is. Beware, because this is going to drip down your arm when you eat it. But it's just very simply sauteed peppers, onions, potatoes, and you're going to put it on a hot dog. Potato, big deal. Potatoes have to be in there. And I like them bigger. So, but this, if you want to use like a breakfast thing you see in the supermarket to cheat,
you can
just use that.
Dice them up.
Just use that. But these rolls, I also like to toast these because I like that toasty feeling. And it's just a simple hot dog with this sauteed with mustard, but it's going to be greasy, it's going to be messy, but it's going to be like just
delicious.
Wonderful.
Holds up. Yeah. The breakfast one can't be toasted. The lunch one has to be toasted.
It's a thing.
I'm trying to keep notes here. Okay.
At the same time, at the end of the day, do what makes you happy. Do what your belly likes. That's it.
And
this is a family favorite. It's sausage, peppers, and potatoes.
Okay, I'm going to have to try.
Really easy to make. And this could go both ways. You could put it, it's just a one-pot meal, so you just put everything in the oven,
Yep.
and you cook it and then broil it off at the end because you want the sauce just to get nice and brown.
And a potato.
And a potato. Girl loves her potatoes. What can I say?
Delicious.
And what's even great on this, if you got like nice Italian bread and you shave some provolone cheese on top and it melts in the sandwich. Oh, it's so good. Yeah,
I'm coming to your house
it's so
for
good.
breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
So these are kind of stick to your rib kind of things. There's a lot of healthy
delicious.
options in the book too, but it's again 100 recipes. The original book has far more than 100, but this is what we narrowed it down to.
This is the greatest hits.
Yeah, and it's just a lot
hits.
of love and a lot of memories and stuff like that, and a lot of storytelling and tips. So that's basically what it is.
Thank you for
Thank
doing
you
it.
for
And
having me.
congratulations.
Yes,
Thank
And
you.
congrats on those babies.
Thank you,
Yes.
my loves.
Can't wait.
Thank
Oh
you
my
so
gosh.
much.